How to remove eSIM from Google Pixel phone. Want to remove an eSIM that you no longer use from your Google Pixel phone but don't know how to do? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this step-by-step tutorial, Gigago will show you how to delete an eSIM from Pixel phone and make the process as simple as possible. You might need to erase your eSIM if you transferred the eSIM's phone number to another Google Pixel phone. You're going to sell, trade in, or give away your device. Your eSIM gets expired or runs out of data and you don't need it anymore. Here are the steps to remove, delete, erase eSIM from Google Pixel phone. Step 1. Go to Settings. Step 2. Go to Network and Internet. Step 3. Go to SIM. Step 4. Tap eSIM you want to remove, delete, erase. Then tap Remove, and we're done. Note: don't erase your eSIM as a troubleshooting step unless it is guided by your carrier, as a lot of eSIMs cannot be reinstalled after being deleted. If you have any other questions, please contact the hotline or visit gigago.com for more detailed information.